Welcome, children, to our math class. Remember that this is the class that I love because I love mathematics. We can find mathematics all around the world. Okay, so let's start. Which are the objectives for today? At the beginning of the class, we're going to watch a video. After watching the video, we're going to work with 5 frames examples. And then I suppose you are masters managing 5 frames. So you are going to develop an activity in Seesaw and you upload this activity because I would like to check your work. Let's start. How can we use 5 frames and what is a 5 frame? Do you remember these squares that we were using in the classroom? Well, the name of this one is 5 frames. And it is 5 frames because you have 5 spaces. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. And how do you use this one? Well, you can use them using dots or using drawings. Like in this case, we are using ghosts. Now, let's see the first example. Example number 1. I have delicious ice creams like these ones. If I have here 3, how can I put them into the 5 frame? So let's see, red here, yellow here, and 3 here. And I can count how many do I have. I have 3 ice creams here. Let's continue. In the second example, I am going to use 5 frames to add. I have here 3 dinosaurs plus 2 dinosaurs that my children gave me. How many dinosaurs do I have in all? So let's see, I can put 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, and 5. In that way, I can make the addition. 3 plus 2 makes, excellent, 5. Very good. Now, let's continue with example number 3. Oh, in this case, I am not using drawings. In this case, I am using dots. And the dots that I am going to use are of different colors. And here I have the addition. 2 plus, that is the symbol that we use for making additions. 3 makes, or it's equals to, I have here 2 blue dots plus 3 red dots equals, very good. That's a good answer and very smart. You are. Good. It is 5. Let's continue with example number 4. Oh, I have here in this case 2 5 frames. That means a 10 frame. So I have 5 plus 3. This number is represented by blue dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 dots. And this number 3, is represented with red dots. 1, 2, 3. That means that 5 plus 3, well, how much is that? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. That means that 5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's continue with example number 5. Oh, no more examples. So sorry. Now that you manage very well this concept of 5 frames, you are going to work in Seesaw. What will you do? Well, in that application, you will see some numbers. The 5 frame, a line, and some hands. You will see numbers, a 5 frame, a line, and some hands. After clicking, click, on the drawing icon, you need to fill the 5 frame according to the number you see. Imagine that you see this number 5. So you complete the frame with the icon that you choose. Okay, then you have to drag the hands, boom, you move the hands and place them on the line that matches the amount that you see, or the number that you see. Once you finish, click on the green check mark. And that's all. That's it. Then I will see how did you do this work. Okay, people, I love you so much. I am really, really surprised with all the effort you are doing and and the attention that you are paying to our videos and our activities. Enjoy this beautiful class, and you can play at home, counting and adding many items that you see or you can find in your house. Okay, see you. I love you so much. Bye.